Hurricane Irma remains a high range Cat 2, but is likely to become a major system within the next couple of days. Location is 18.3 degrees north, 46.2 degrees west, about 1030 miles east of the Leeward Islands. Maximum sustained winds 110 miles per hour. Present movement west or possibly southwest. Here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center, the cone. Tropical storm force wind speed probabilities, and this is for 120 hours or 5 days outlook. Earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds, and there's no doubt that this chart will be updated. A look at one model, HWRF on Irma. Sea surface temperature remains very healthy, and from viewing this chart, look at the area in purple, and the scale is at the bottom of the screen. This is from the HWRF. A look at the Atlantic region, and you can clearly see where the hurricane is. And we know that Irma did have a eye, and possibly 2 eye wall replacements. Dry air has been a factor, but the inner core is being protected. This is from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, or the Fleet Weather Center, which is the US Navy. The tropical tidbits, GFS model 1 on precipitation for the area. Various tracks on the system, but please apply caution to these models, the tracks, as the picture does change. There's far too much uncertainty at this point in time what the hurricane is going to do. Model intensity guidance and information suggests a mid-range Cat 4, Cat 5 hurricane. Upper level divergence, the divergence over the top of Irma is healthy. I look at the wind shear. Shear tendency. .850 millibar vorticity. UK Met, one of 3 models, and their view of possible tracks. CMC. ECMWF. Force 13 will continue to bring updated information. And Nathan is slowly improving. And again, I'm doing the updates for him. Now this is a look at the local weather, Puerto Rico region for the weekend. And this picture is going to change. We'll most likely see the warnings, especially the marine, the boating upgraded. Seas could be up to 6 feet, winds up to 15 knots. There'll be a moderate to high risk of rip currents through Sunday along north facing beaches. There is much uncertainty regarding the track intensity of Hurricane Irma, its potential impacts to the local islands, but the marine conditions are expected to deteriorate considerably by mid-week.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.